Are you ready to dominate the Royal League in Royal Match and snag those crown quickly? Let's dive into some effective strategies that will elevate your gameplay and help you rising through the ranks. First off, understand the Royal League. This competitive mode allow you to face off against 19 other players. To join, make sure you have completed all available levels. Once you are in, your goal is to collect crown by completing level efficiently. Remember, there are fewer moves you take, the more crown you earn. Now, here's some actionable step to maximize your crown collections. Prioritize hard and super hard levels. These levels offer more crown than easier ones. Focus on them to boost your rank quickly. Second, plan your moves. Before making a move, take a moment to analyze the board. Think several steps ahead to create powerful combinations that can clear more pieces and unlock boosters. Use booster wisely. Save your boosters for tough levels where when you close at completing a stage objective. Combining boosters can create the massive effects, helping you to clear obstacles more effectively. Focus on the level objectives. Each level has the specific goals. Make sure to prioritize these objectives while playing, as completing them will level a victory and the more crown. Play regularly. The more you play, the more chances you have to earn crown and improve your skills, and the consistency is a key of climbing the leaderboards. Finally, enjoy the games. While completion is exciting, remember the royal match is meant to be fun. Celebrate your victories and then learn from your losses. With these strategies in hand, you will well to way to quick accumulating crown in royal matches, royal leagues. So gear up, plan your move wisely, and let's get those crowns. Happy gaming.